disclaimer. Do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Here we on to trade number 11. Now this is going to be a very interesting thing because trade number 11 will actually get placed before trade number 10 because of the US holiday. So we just did a video on trade number 10 that will go active on Tuesday morning after the Labor Day holiday, but we're going to be making a trade before then. Now, if this is your first time here, why are we doing this and what are we doing? We're saying that, look, all of these studies and all of the books say the entry matters, and it does matter. What we're saying is it doesn't matter unless your exits are perfect. So we are doing this. We are picking random methods to pick random positions, and we're going to implement our strict position sizing and position management methodologies. So what are we going to be doing on trade 11? Well, I am traveling currently, and I just went from the UK to the EU, landing in Spain, in Seville, beautiful, beautiful city. And you know what? Let's do a currency conversion. So we're going to be looking to trade our pounds for euros. Let's take a look at it. Here is the euro-pound cross. You can see here that it's been going sideways for the last couple months. But when we take a look at that 13 EMA, it rose here and is now falling. So we have a falling 13 EMA. So we are going to be short euro pound. And if we come down here to the ATR is at 39 pips. So 39 pips. Looks like the entry price is going to be 85.51. That is where the current price is at this moment. So let's put together our trade sheet. Here is our order sheet. It is September 4th, 2023. We are going to be short euro pound in the currency markets. Entry is around 85.51. We'll adjust this when we actually make the trade. Let's take a look at our trade exit rules so we can get our position sizing. ATR was 0.0039. That means our stop is going to be 2x that, 0.0078 or 78 pips. That's going to be at a price of 0.8629. Let's throw that into a position sizing calculator. But first, we have to check the current balance of our trading account. Here we are in our trading account. Let's take a look at our current positions in the top right. We've got two positions on. We've got WT long that's up about $1,000. We have FIS short. Hey, that's the one my mom picked. It's down $700. So those are our two current positions. If we go down here to the orders, you can see we have an order out there sitting to get a short in Urban Outfitters, URBN, when the market opens tomorrow morning. Let's check in our account value here. Our current account value is $104,155. Let's put that in a position sizing calculator and get our position. Here we are on my FX book. It's a really good calculator. Look, they're all the same. It's just putting in the numbers here. Account size, 104,155. Our ratio is 1% risk. Our stop loss is 0.0078. And let's hit that calculate button. It tells us that the units is 105,770. That is our position size for this, 105,770. So let's go put in the order. We've got the euro pound cross. Let's put in this order. It is going to be a sell order. And since we are right here, we can just do it at the market. Our quantity was 105,770, 105,770. And we're just going to go ahead and enter that at market. So we'll just hit submit and fire that one off. All right, if we take a look down below, we were filled at 0.855514. So right where we figured we were going to get filled. Since we're here, let's put in that stop order, that buy stop. So let's go back up to the order board. We're now going to be putting in a trailing stop. Buying a trailing stop, same quantity, 105,770. And we're going to put in our trailing stop at 0.0078. 78 pips. Let's make sure that that is good till canceled. Let's go ahead and submit that order. And that means that trade number 11 is in the books. It is a short in euro pound at 85.51. No need to change your numbers because we were filled at the price that we built our trade on. Position size of 105.770. Let's now talk about what we're going to do. Now, our rules are that we start out with an initial trailing stop at 2 ATR. If we get a 2 ATR profit, so if we get 78 pips in profit, we're going to move that trailing stop to a 1.5 ATR trailing stop. And if we get to 4 ATR, we're going to move it to 1 ATR. So here are the numbers. At a 2x target, that's 84.73, where we tighten it up a bit. At a 4x target, 83.95, where we tighten it up after that. And what do we do after that? Well, guess what? We can sit there and watch if we want, but you don't do anything. You don't touch your position management. I don't care what you think, what you feel. I don't care what the news you heard was. I don't care. This is where you follow your system. That's why we're doing what we're doing, to show you how important this is to follow your position management. Trade number 11 in the books.